Poppin PJ here. Let's make a money bunny. Woo! See the boards in the center of the spool? Well, those are the boards I'm going to use to make our money bunnies. Let's check it out. I am taking apart this spool. I'm going to use the top for another project, and the pieces that are in the center that make the circular part of the spool I'm going to be using to make our money bunny. Having fun twirling the rods. I said, oh boy, because I dropped the wrench inside. Got it. So with the top off, you can see the curved boards that I'm going to be using for our money bunny. So I'm going to take the piece of spool wood and measure 1 1/4 inches from each end, as that is the thickness I want the bunny ears to be. Then I'm going to make a straight line down about 7 inches because that is the length I want the bunny ears to be. Putting the spool wood in the vise so that it will remain steady as I use the jigsaw to cut out the ears. So basically all I'm doing is cutting out a rectangular section here at the top of the piece of wood, and when you cut that out, you're left with bunny ears. So easy. Now I am using my drill, putting in one of the larger drill bits. I am making 2 holes, or drilling 2 holes at each corner here where the 7-inch lines come down and end, so that I can get my jigsaw in there so I can cut that piece of wood across. Now on this money bunny, I did put a 3rd hole in the center, but I didn't need it. Now just putting the blade of the jigsaw through the hole I just made and cutting across. There you go. Timber! Now about 4 inches down from the ears, as you can see, I have little divots on either side. I am going to use this antique white stain because I want the bunny to be white. Making sure to get this bunny covered completely in this antique white stain. For the little corner areas here at the ears, I'm going to just use a paintbrush to get some stain in that area. Now to let Money Bunny dry. Now after placing 2 coats of stain on Money Bunny, I have to draw his face. I didn't like the eyes that I drew, so I took a dime because I thought that was the perfect size and just traced around the dime for the eyes. Next I'm going to use some black paint and paint over what I just drew with a pencil. Painting the eyes first. Then the nose, mouth, and cute bunny's whiskers. I'm getting excited. So I'm going to use this string to make Money Bunny a cute necklace with pastel colored wood beads. Look at all the pretty colors. So I string each bead using this little stick that I can help to push the string through because it gets a little frayed. And I will do this for the number of beads I want for the necklace and the colors that I want. So I decide 9 beads will be the perfect size necklace to go around the neck of our little bunny. So this is why I made the little divots 4 inches down from the bunny ears, because it's like a little holder for the necklace. And it differentiates the face from the rest of the body. Look how cute the necklace is, and it was so easy to do. So I'm just going to wrap this necklace around the bunny's neck and have the string go right through the 2 divots I made and tie it in the back. And this is what we have, a super cute, easy money bunny, because people will want to buy these. I wanted some white in his eyes. He's so cute, easy, and fun. I just have to put a piece of wood on the back of him to serve as a stand. Putting the piece of wood on the back of the bunny and using a pencil to make a mark of where I want this stand to be, making a dot for the hole I'm going to drill. Just cleaning some of the wood off the bit. I'm going to put the piece of wood back in its place on the back of the bunny. Time to screw it in. All done. Time to see Money Bunny staged. Here he is, looking poppin', sitting on my silver-studded trunk. I love him. Make some money bunnies. They're fun. Another PJ's Garage creation. Here's my pile. Gotta get busy. If you enjoyed this PJ's Garage creation, pop that subscribe button. Thank you.